Ingonta teko teba nga ngwe kuno mheshimiwa atandi ate. Abarai bonsi barobisi basikwe. Allow me to quote from the Bible yata kya abarumi communist ke bungeka. Yego teba se ke usinga abali no kuwa basikwe. Kuwa konde ngo yo wajira so we kuwenze onye ngora tira mwana anyasa. Iko weta ko cheturuto wata to mwanjeti ko musike ngo calendar ne president. Wogo chobo gabana na inje nitwana kuigwa na Simba. I'm very fair. I want to be honest. But njera teyo lero naika anete to kwana Kristo lero tindiko kwana tindiko rama Simba anete tinda iko murama because nero mugabana engaki ya engo ikere then I deal with him as a igonga constitutional iko ko ikasi kunero mugabana ko choma senator no yomu ka to wata kisi county gorgonyo ko ikasi no mo women rep to wata no yomu gorgodonya Doris wekasi asik no mo chumbe sinkurwa yago rusairi chanda because abantu na tonya ko tebanga no muhindi ni ekera tu arigwa keru chukura abantu mpamete no muhindi yake nebichana ona yale iko wekasi no mo MC ona sinkurwe word yane sina gamba yago ku word weka musiki na abantu bande ba musiki because na ro mo MC but what I want to say on that comment egera no muskata ndinera comment la mangana ya social welfare na bintu binada ne kengo kwana nera comment we are happy abasungu bako tebanga we differ in principle but we meant to be friends my brother ga that matoi wana ne in ideologies but we can't get cover my brother na ndo mausio mindu that is has happened now intege ko tebanga barai bande bagambire and you allow me to mention that bago tumeka batari ko above board umuntu ogambire obukansura kabiri ogambire obo MC elimu oyino murai enjireria kerari ngo mukansura enjireria keraro ara konyaro mu MC torinere atakirasi kwe nera atakirasi ka bande bari I'm not happy with the responses and the utterances ja my brother Mulef ekera ko ramo mu women re Nyamira oga momo women re Kisii oga ora momo chumbo kitutu chache north ora momo chumbo south mugranga chivu it's not fair it's not fair orino murayo bere in office we katu ara masken ona garanga nonsense then there is another time
abalende musike poke bago chwata yeseri chikolitri ya midenga akaromule bata ya ole egerere wanu ni to kumwegera
I'm sorry I withdraw that I don't want to mention the name but what I want to say ekero tutari kuigwana like me as I stand from here from the studio I don't support a PDA mheshimiwa Matiang'i I'm currently supporting the current president until 2027 from there I make a judgment whether I proceed to vote Ruto in or I change the side but for now I'm supporting William Ruto ekero tutari kuigwana atandi onyukare go support the PD yoyo minto Matiang'i it does not mean ngamono atandi achake konda why we should change the trend ya politics ya Kisii and if we want to talk tebaninga to baba kusiamo we must change that trend na ndakwanya rumura yoyo igari ne mushi bisinini intege den so amana ndeke bungu kendeke ko kwa sekitabu ya Samuel yeri tangani igego tebanga there is power in a name ekero atandi aguteno tebanga inchenkoroku emburi emwamu you should think why he comes with that name emburi emwa that's power in a name kwanya rumura yonate ne monto binde bikweroka injene ne emburi osine ne ngondi if it is power in a name then you should know ngomonto yeri eteria koroka no net box tekorotik teribuya then you yourself ekeroro abasongo bago tell me your friends then I will tell you aka then even that friend of mine your leader is also the character reflects what the group he has igonta gete korwa the 19 gete ko advice abantu baidonga if we omugusito tagete go chamo egere toigwana ne ababare siko watara support ye PDO ligenjero okuba ebereri bache lakini tari asoko barama